Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, March 12th, 2018. Alright people, so this is what's going on right now. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are higher and they are poised to move even higher from where they are now. On Thursday of last week, and I said this again on Friday, I believe that this week is going to be a bullish one for the stock market. On Friday, we hit a new record high for the NASDAQ. I also said I believed that the other indices were going to follow along with that. When you got strength in tech, tends to pull everything up with it. Now, again, nothing I'm saying is written in stone, but I want to put a few other things together for you so you can understand what's going on. First of all, I am still in all of these positions, and they are all up again today. Now, right now there's a few dynamics that we have to pay attention to. The dollar is weaker today. The bond market. I hope you're watching this on my website, traderschoice.net. If you are not, go have a look at the bond market chart. You will see they are again keeping, or at least trying to keep, that bond market stable. They need to keep rates suppressed because it creates an environment of risk. Cash will make its way into the stock market. Also, we're seeing some cash here move back into crypto. So, weaker dollar, bond stabilizing going on. We know all about that. And then we got cash going into cryptos. These are stock market positive, all three of these things. So that means that as of right now, again, these are snapshots in time that I am talking about. It appears that stocks will rise this week. Let's see. Unless something acts against this market, and again, on Friday I covered this, I don't see anything in the way here. But that does not mean something won't jump in front of it. But if things remain the way they are, this market should rise this week. Now, we're going to hear from the Fed this month. That's going to be interesting, and we'll talk more about it when we get closer. A lot of people have been writing to me asking about what I think the Fed is going to do. I think the Fed is going to raise the federal funds rate yet again. 25 basis points. One again, we're talking about the overnight rate. They have to maintain the narrative. And the narrative is that we're in recovery, everything is looking great. So I know a lot of you are going to disagree with me and say that the Fed is not going to raise rates. Well, we'll see how that plays out moving forward. Anyway, the weaker dollar, and I think it looks weak to me, and it looks like it's going to get weaker moving forward this week, is also bullish for metals, which we know are rigged to the nth degree. But we need to keep our eye on that as well. So that's pretty much it. So dynamics right now are in place for this market to rise. And we are going to capitalize on this. There is just no, I don't care what happens, we are going to capitalize on it. And if I do change any of these positions, I will post this on my social networks so you can get a better handle on this. Anyway, if you get a minute, if you're not watching this on my website, go look at the charts that that are all around that I posted for you. You will see cash going into the bond market, making sure it stays stable. You will see the charts of cryptocurrencies all kind of nudging higher. These are bullish for the stock market. Okay, with that said, we'll sum this all up at the end of the day. Over now.